Hey, what's up guys? Thank you for checking this video and welcome to lesson number 1 of this series of tutorial on how to build a theme for WordPress from scratch. So, this is my brand new installation of latest version of WordPress, which is 5.2.2, and there are only 2 plugins installed on it which are not active. So, there is nothing to interfere with our code. And let me show you, there is only one thing 2019 which comes with WordPress. Before we start to actually code, we need to create our directory structure. So let me go to our installation folder. First thing we need to do is open wp-config file and search for wp-debug. By default it's false. We have to make it true so that whenever we make some coding error which is obvious during development phase, we get some message and we could know what error we have made. Now open wp content folder. Here you will get themes folder. Open it and create a new folder with a unique name. This is the name for your theme. It should be unique. I am going to give my theme name my theme. So let me add this folder to my text editor as a project folder. And inside this folder I am going to create my folders and files. So first folder I am going to create is called CSS, which is used to store all style sheet files. And second folder is JS, which is used to store all JavaScript files. Now I am going to create a third folder INC for all helping files that will be included in our functions.php. Fourth folder I am going to create is called SAS, and it will be used for styling. The fifth folder is template parts for holding our template files. After we have finished creating our folder structures, it's time to create some files which custom WordPress theme needs to be properly activated. We need to create index.php. Then let's create header.php. After that, let's create footer.php. In the last, we have to create style.css. But before actually creating this file, let me show you something. Let's go to admin dashboard and reload themes page. You can see here WordPress have detected our theme, but it says it's a broken theme as the style sheet is missing. Now let us create style.css. Let's again reload the themes page, and now you can see WordPress recognize our theme and lists it as a valid theme. Now you can see 2019 theme shows a preview, but our theme is not showing any preview. For this, I have a nice picture. Let me copy it to theme folder. Let me rename it to screenshot.jpg. Now let's reload the page again. Now you can see a nice preview here. The one thing you should note about this is that this image should be of 1200 by 900 pixels and it should be named exactly screenshot.jpg. Now let me tell you something about style.css. This file style.css is not used for styling. It's actually used for defining all the names, options and all the descriptions about our theme. You can see here nothing about our theme is being displayed. Now let me open style.css and start writing something. First I am starting a comment section. Here first thing I will note is theme name. Which is my theme. Next, theme URI. This is the URL of your theme where you will store your theme. I am giving it https plugins.fizzfil.com. Next thing is author. I am giving my name Ravi Khan Singh. Author URI. https www.ravikantsingh.in. Then description. This is a nice and beautiful theme. You can write whatever you wish about your theme. Here you can mention tags about your theme. I am writing simple, nice, beautiful, etc. Now let me reload the page and see what happens. Now you can see it's showing theme name, author name, and you can see author name is a link that reflects to my website. You can see tags, you can see theme description here. One thing is missing is version. Now let me add version. I am giving my theme a version. I am not releasing it, so I am giving it 1.0.0. Let's reload. Now version appears here. So you know, so you know, style.css is used for describing various options about our theme. So that's it for today's video, and thanks for watching. If you like it, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so that you can get notified about future updates.